Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM5 won't close properly, you're not alone. This common issue often arises due to a faulty locking mechanism or a dirty potentiometer. If left unresolved, it can lead to further complications, affecting the performance of your device and potentially causing more costly repairs down the line. To get started on this repair, you will need a screwdriver, a small brush for cleaning, some isopropyl alcohol, and a replacement locking mechanism if needed. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged and place it on a stable surface. Begin by removing the base cover. To do this, carefully unscrew the screws located at the base using your screwdriver. Be gentle here, applying too much force can strip the screws. Once the base cover is off, you will see the locking mechanism. It's typically located near the hinge area. If you notice it looks worn or broken, that's likely the culprit. To extract it, gently disconnect any wires attached to the mechanism, taking care not to damage the surrounding components. Use your small brush and isopropyl alcohol to clean the area thoroughly, as dirt can contribute to malfunction. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once cleaned, it's time to replace the locking mechanism. Install the new component by reversing the steps taken during removal, ensuring all wires are securely connected. Tighten the screws firmly but do not over-tighten them, as this can lead to further issues. Finally, reattach the base cover, making sure everything is aligned correctly. Plug in your Thermomix and test the closure. It should now close smoothly without any resistance. To prevent this issue from arising again, regularly clean the locking mechanism and ensure no food particles are lodged in the hinges. Regular maintenance can save you from future headaches. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.